Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Minimal Lux. My name is Glenn. If you're new here, welcome. So the video I have for you today is another bag unboxing, and it is once again from my most favorite brand, Longchamp. As you can see from the type of box the bag was shipped in, you can already tell that this is a pre-loved and not a brand new bag. There is one bag that I've never had in my handbag collection, and that is a Hobo bag. But that is about to change today, so I'm very excited to finally have one. So it was just last month, the month of May, which is my birthday month, that I was looking online, in particular on eBay, and that is where I saw this bag. It stated that the bag is in excellent condition and that the lady seller had a 100% positive rating. So I felt confident about the listing and went ahead and purchased the item. According to the seller, the bag didn't come in the original Longchamp dust bag, and it only came in a plain white dust bag, which is fine with me. So this is the Longchamp Roseau Essential Hobobag in the color gray and in the size large. The outside is made of pebbled cowhide leather, which feels very soft to the touch. The shoulder strap is stitched to the bag, which makes it non-removable. It is also non-adjustable, which is fine with me, as the 10-inch shoulder strap drop is more than enough. What I love about this bag is that it has very minimal branding, so there are no big logos on the outside, except for a very small Longchamp racehorse and jockey logo in the back. As with all Longchamp Roseau handbags, the closure is of a metal bamboo toggle. The inside of the bag has a raw suede lining, which I really love. There is one zip compartment in the back, which is pretty big, I would say, and can easily fit a continental wallet or your phone. And there is also one smaller slip pocket in the back, which will easily fit a small card holder. And attached to the inside of the bag is a leash with a clasp at the end of it, which you can use to attach your keys, or if you have a pouch with a D-ring on it, for easy access. Another reason why I wanted this particular Hobo bag is because I currently have a bag in another style in my collection from the Longchamp Roseau line that I love so much. And that is this bag, the Longchamp Roseau Essential Mini Leather Bucket Bag in the color Saffron. I just love this bag so much. This is actually my most favorite bag in my entire handbag collection, which currently I believe stands at about 37 bags. Since this bucket bag belongs to the same Roseau Essential line of Longchamp, it has pretty much the same design features as the Hobo bag, except for a few differences like the additional slip pocket inside and also the leash. I really miss this original design of the Roseau Essential line of Longchamp, since it has been discontinued a few years back. Longchamp eventually replaced the Roseau Essential line with the Le Roseau line that is currently out in the market. But the design on the new version is slightly different from these older versions, which I prefer. With regards to the dimensions of the bag, the height measures about 12.5 inches. The width of the bag is also about 12.5 inches. And the depth measures about 5 inches. As this Hobo bag is a very unstructured bag, I just think that it'll look better with some form of structure to it. I was thinking I can use this organizer that I had custom made for my Bottega Veneta brake cassette bag. It doesn't exactly have the same dimensions as the base of this bag, but I think it'll work fine enough to put some structure to it. I hate it when a bag just collapses when I set it down, like on the passenger seat, when I get in the car, or on a table. So now let's pack this bag with some of my stuff. So first item is a pouch that came with my Le Teneur Camille tote bag that I purchased about a year and a half ago. Inside I have a Tiger pen, a L'Occitane hand cream, 2 lip balms, 1 lip gloss, 1 lip brush, a traveler toothpick, and a pack of mint. And since this pouch from Le Teneur has a D-ring on it, I can connect the leash to the pouch like so. Next item is the Longchamp Clear zip wallet. Third item is the Coach L zip key case in the signature canvas. Inside I have my house keys, my car key fob, and some of my cards. I have a pillbox from Muji, a small bottle of hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's, a small container of gum, a pair of reading glasses, a pair of sunnies from Ray-Ban, so this is how the inside looks like so far. And I think with plenty of room left, I am able to fit this water bottle. And so now I'm going to try and see if my iPhone 13 mini will fit in that smaller slit pocket. Well, not perfectly, but yes, it does fit in that small slit pocket.